kids try. Today we're gonna do the world's highest rubber chicken drop from a drone, 600 feet up. Gonna be crazy. We're gonna try to catch it out in the field. It's gonna be so much fun. And we have a special guest, Roberta, who is an expert chicken catcher, whatever. So the record for this chicken drop currently is held by the Action Lab at 300 feet.
Are you gonna be on the controller with the rubber chicken on?
Oh, yeah! We got it!
Let's do this!
All right, and I'm gonna be here to fly the drone. I'm an expert dronesman chicken dropper. I was actually here when the old world record was set. So hopefully we're gonna get a new world record today. You ready for this?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Ready for takeoff? 3, 2, 1. Rubber chicken, up. Okay, here's 100 feet. 200 feet. 300 feet, get ready. Are you guys ready?
I don't see it. Oh, it's right there.
Okay, we're at 300 feet. This is the current record. 3, 2, 1. It's coming, it's coming! Go, 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 go! Okay, now we know we gotta get a little further away, right? We gotta get a little further away.
All right, this is take 2. We're gonna go for 400 feet.
Here we go, 400 feet in 3, 2, 1. Here it comes! Get it! Roberta! No, come back! Come back! Oh!
No! Dang it! You were like that one in the back.
You touched it.
I touched it before it hit the ground.
Why, rubber chicken? Why?
Here comes the chicken. Stay focused, stay focused. No, go, go, go! Go!
All right, this is take number 5.
Are you ready?
Yeah!
Are you ready?
Yeah!
3, 2, 1. Here comes the chicken. Wait for it, wait for it. Get underneath it! Oh! Good try, you touched it.
I think you blew my finger.
I didn't break anything.
I think
What happened, Roberta? What happened?
So wet, see?
Here it comes, get ready, come on. Come on, people.
that's blowing my finger.
What happened?
I think you were gonna catch it.
You hit it out of his hand?
Yes, you did.
She wants the world record. What's gonna be our
We just
strategy?
have to spread out. One there, one there, one there, and just run for it.
Here it comes. Oh, damn! Oh, damn! It almost hit you!
Dizzy, I'm coming your way trying to catch you. Don't go.
I think it's actually hit her in the food.
That was your chance. I want to try 600 feet. I'm gonna try it. Parents are taking over, kids try. I think I can catch it. Roberta, you want to try with me?
Yep.
It's coming, Roberta. Dang it! It's so possible! All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are at 414 feet. This is your world record attempt. Oh!
It did my fingers.
Chicken is fighting back. Boom.
Yep.
Boom. How do you feel? Ladies and gentlemen, we have 418 feet. Test the wind. Okay.
That way,
We
okay.
got some strong wind.
No,
Sun's
that
going
was
down.
like literally
3,
that way.
2,
That's what I said.
1. Drop.
Come down.
Get to it! No, back 4! Back 4! Daisy, you almost had it! You almost had it!
Daisy!
What?
You had to get it!
350 feet in 3, 2, 1. Dropping. I really thought you were gonna get it. Okay, let's try a 10-foot chicken drop. 1, 2, 3. Let's see if you can get it. Oh! You're still swatting at it.
I was gonna smash it.
Okay, so we actually didn't end up catching it. We're like really sorry, but we're not done yet, chicken.
At least
We'll be back someday. That's a video for another time. Watch for it. It's gonna happen. We will do this. But yeah, also make sure you thumbs up and subscribe. Comment below what you'd like to see us do next. Bye!
and the world
The current record.
and the current record was sent
The current
Set.
record is set by the Action Lab at 300 feet.
and the current record was set at the Action Lab for 300 feet.
Hey Daisy, stay with us. Okay, Roberta's gonna say it. Ready?
No,
Set, go.
I don't even remember that.
The Action Lab, 300 feet.
Right? Okay. So the
Okay.